Removing a garbage disposal can significantly extend the life of a septic system for a tiny house. Garbage disposals grind food into fine particles that increase the organic solids loading to a septic tank and speed the need for pumping, so the simplest and most effective step is to avoid installing a disposal at all. For existing tiny houses that have a disposal, limit use to occasional soft vegetable scraps and immediately remove fibrous, starchy, and fatty waste to a separate container for offsite composting or municipal organic collection. Use in-sink strainers or baskets for all dishwashing and rinsing, so most solids do not enter the drain line. These are low cost, easy to clean, and reduce grease accumulation downstream. If you must keep a disposal for convenience, plan on increasing septic pump-out frequency and document effluent and scum layer thickness at each service to detect accelerated fill rates. For setups that require maceration before pumping a long distance, size a grinder pump. One pump size larger than typical for the tiny house flow, and include a macerator that reduces particle size without creating excessive biological load in the tank. Always combine operational changes with regular septic inspections and maintain a log of water use and food waste practices so you can correlate behavior with tank fill trends. Owners often underestimate how much food waste a disposal sends to the tank, so the fix is to remove the disposal or stop feeding it solids and start separating waste at the sink. Another common issue is grease and starch buildup that clogs pipes and reduces drainfield performance, which you prevent by wiping pans, using sink baskets, and composting fats off-site rather than rinsing them down the drain. A third problem is relying on less frequent pump-outs because the house is small, yet disposals mean tanks fill faster, increase pump-out frequency, or accept disposal removal as the long-term cost-effective choice. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who understand septic best practices for tiny houses and can advise on disposal removal, grinder pump selection, and maintenance. We also help contractors find work and share expertise through our discussion community, where members exchange real-world solutions and maintenance tips.